Hello students, today we are solving exercise 8.3 chapter 8 introduction to trigonometry of class 10. So first question is there, evaluate. 4 parts are given. First part is sine 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. So we have to find out the value of that. So sine 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. As we know the identity of complementary angles, that cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sine theta. So this property we will use in this question. So we can write down sine 18 degree upon cos 72, we will change cos 90 degree minus 18 degree. When we will minus 18 from 90 degrees, so 72 will come. So in the next step it will be sine 18 in the numerator and upon cos 90 minus theta. This one cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. So it will change into sine. Cos will change into sine and theta is 18 degree. So it will be 18 degree. So sine theta up and sine theta down. So we will cancel that and the answer is 1. Second part is tan 26 degree upon cos 64 degree. So we can write tan 26 degree and down in the denominator cot 64 degrees there. So we can use the property cot 90 degree minus theta is equal to tan theta. The property of complementary angle. So we will use this. So cot 64, what we can write down here, cot 90 degree minus 26 degree. 90 degree minus 26 degree, when we will minus 26 from 90, we will get 64. So it will change further. Tan 26 degree in the numerator, same, and this cot 90 minus theta, it will change into tan theta. So we can write tan theta means 26 degree. So tan 26 degree. So it will be 1. Third part is cos 48 degree minus sine 42 degree. So how we can change the value of cos here? If I will write cos 90 degree minus 42 degree, because we know that cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sine theta. So this we will use in this question. So cos 90 degree minus 42 and rest part we will write same as it is. So in the next step, this cos will change into sine. So sine and theta is 42. So sine 42 degree minus sine 42 is already there. So sine 42 minus sine 42, we will get 0 from here. Fourth part, cosecant 31 degree minus secant 59 degree. So how we will solve it? We know the relation that secant 90 degree minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. We know this relation. We will use this relation in the question. So it will be cosecant 31 degree minus this secant 90 degree minus 31 degree. When we will minus 31 from 90 degree, we will get 59. So it will be cosecant 31 degree minus this secant will change into cosecant. So cosecant theta is 31 degree. So it will cancel and the answer is 0. Question number 2 of exercise 8.3. First part is there. Show that tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree and tan 67 degree is equal to 1. So we will take left hand side. This is left hand side and we will prove this to equal to the right hand side. So let's do it. How we can do? These all trigonometric ratios of tangent are the multiplication because no sign is there in between. So we can write down tan 48 degree and tan 23 degree as it is, and these two values we will take the complementary value of these. So how we can use, we know the relation that tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. So this relation we will use here. So what we can write, this tan 90 degree minus 48 degree. So tan 90 degree minus 48 degree, and next tangent ratio we can write 90 degree minus 23 degree. So these two ratios we change the form of these, tan 90 degree minus 48 and tan 90 degree minus 23 degree. So this relation now we will use in the next step. Tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, and this will become cot 48 degree, and this tan will become again cot 23 degree. So what we can do with the cot now, we will change in the tangent, tan 48 and tan 23 degree as it is, and this cot we can write down 1 upon tan 48 degree, and this cot again 1 upon tan 23 degree. So now these all things are in the multiplication, so we can cancel these, tan 48 to tan 48 and tan 23 to tan 23, and the answer is 1, and this is equal to right hand side. So this is equal to right hand side. Second part of question number 2, cos 38 cos 52 minus sin 38 and sin 52 is equal to 0. So we are taking left side. In the left side what we can do, two cos ratios are there and two sin ratios are there. So we can change one cos into sin and one sin into cos, so that they can minus and we will get 0. So how we can do it, like cos 38 we will write same, and this cos 52 we will change. So I can write cos 90 degree minus 38 degree. When I will minus 38 from 90, I will get 52, right? And same thing we will do with the sin 38 degree is same, and this sin I will change, sin 90 degree minus, how I can get 52 when I will minus 38 from 90. So it will become cos 38 degree, and this cos will change into sin theta is 38 minus sin 38 degree, and this sin will change into cos, and theta is 38 degree. So both values are same, cos 38 sin 38 and minus sin 38 cos 38. So we will get 0 from here, and this 0 is equal to right hand side. In this way we can prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Third question of exercise 8.3, it's given that tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree, where 2a is an acute angle. We have to find the value of a. So let's do it. It's given in the question that tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. So I can change this tan into cot by using the identity, by using cot 90 degree minus theta, it will be tan theta. So we will use this relation here. So what we can write down from here, cot 90 degree minus 2a, cot 90 degree minus theta, it is tan theta. So tan 2a, I can write tangent 2a in this form, cot 90 degree minus 2a, and other side already cot is there. So we have changed this tangent into cotangent because we need both sides cot, so that we can cancel that and we can find out the value of A. So in the next step, what we can write down, both cot are there, so they can cancel, and left part is 90 degree minus 2A is equal to A minus 18 degree. So we will send these A in the left side or in the right side as you want. So it will be 3A is equal to 108 when we plus 90 plus 18. So it will be A is equal to 108 upon 3 and the value is 36 degree. So angle A is 36 degree. Question number 4, if tan A is equal to cot B, it's given, then we have to prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degree. So we will write down the given thing, tan A is equal to cot B. So again we will use the same relation, that tangent 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. This relation we will use in the question. So what we can write down here, tan A on the left side and right side cot is there, we can change into tan by doing like that, tan 90 degree minus theta, theta is B here. So we can write down like this, it will be tan A tan 90 degree minus B, so we can cancel tan. So A is equal to 90 degree minus B. So I can send this B on the left side. So it will be A plus B is equal to 90 degree. So this thing in the question we have to prove A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Question number 5, if secant 4A is equal to cosecant A minus 20 degree, it's given in the question. We have to find the value of A, and angle 4A is an acute angle. So how we can solve that? We will write the given thing, secant 4A is equal to cosecant A minus 20 degree. So which relation we can use there? We can use cosecant 90 degree minus theta is equal to secant theta. So students, how you can choose the relation, that which one you have to use? We have to choose these complementary angle relation according to our value, because in this question secant and cosecant is there, one side secant is there, one side cosecant is there. So we need this relation, so we can change cosecant into secant and we can cancel the both functions. So how we can do that? Secant 4A. So instead of this secant 4A, we will change into cosecant. So what we can write down? We can write cosecant 90 degree minus theta is 4A. So we will write down 4A instead of theta, and on the right side cosecant A minus 20 degrees there. So both functions we can cancel, same thing is there. So 90 degree minus 4A is equal to A minus 20 degree. So again we will send these A to the one side. So it will be 5A, 4A plus A is 5A, and this will be 90 degree plus 20 degree is 110 degree. So A will be 110 degree upon 5, and value of A is 22 degree. So angle A is 22 degree. Question number 6 of exercise 8.3. It is given in the question that A, B and C are the interior angles of a triangle ABC. Like this is a triangle ABC and these are the interior angles of this triangle. So as we know, we will use this part, whatever they have given, that in triangle ABC, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree, angle sum property of triangle. So how we can rewrite this? B plus C is equal to 180 degree minus A. So why we have sent A on the right hand side? Because in the question B plus C on the left side is given. So we can use this B plus C value in the left hand side. If we will divide both sides by 2, it will become B plus C upon 2 and 180 degree minus A upon 2. So it will be B plus C upon 2, and when it will divide 180 by 2, it will be 90 degree minus A by 2. If I apply sine function on the both side, it will be sine B plus C upon 2, and on the right side sine 90 degree minus A upon 2. As we know that sine 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. So we will use this relation here in our question. Left side sine B plus C upon 2 is there, and on the right side sine 90 degree minus A upon 2 means sine 90 minus theta, it will become cos theta. So sine will change into cos and theta is A upon 2. So we can write down cos A upon 2. So this is the answer, because in the question they said that you have to show that sine B plus C upon 2 is equal to cos A upon 2. So students, if you have any query regarding this exercise 8.3 or regarding the trigonometry chapter, you can write down in the comment section. And if you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel.